Discover the TEK37 Height Adjustable Desk Kit, the perfect fusion of functionality and style for home or office. Lightweight, portable, and designed for your comfort, the TEK37 transitions effortlessly between a coffee table, side table, or work surface. Perfect for lounge areas or compact spaces. Its whisper quiet height adjustment adapts seamlessly to your needs, whether you're hard at work or taking a well-earned break. Engineered for stability with a sleek, disc-shaped base and a slim modern column, the TEK37 combines durability with minimalist design, a perfect fit for any room without dominating it. Take customization to the next level with optional casters for easy mobility, a rechargeable battery for unmatched flexibility, and your choice of remote control or Bluetooth connectivity for effortless adjustments. Elevate your environment with the TEK37 Height Adjustable Desk Kit by TiMOTION. Visit our website to explore its features and see how it can redefine your space.